So this is just a little tutorial on how to use Brightspace. So starting up here, this button allows you to select between your courses. I only have two, but you could have more. So you can select whichever course you want from here. This is my history course. And you can go, this is the main course homepage where you can see any posts/morning announcements your teachers made. Uh, with this button, you can check emails that you are getting from your teachers, messages from the school, from the principal, vice principal, that's being sent to you. These are private messages. I don't have any yet, and these are notifications. Uh, these are notifications of the announcements that are on the homepage. They're just very quick in case you want to catch up on something that you've missed. Now over here are the specifics for each course. You will have, these will all be different for each course. So this is the course home, as I said already. This is posts that your teacher wants you to know about. Content is any PowerPoints or videos or Microsoft Word documents that your teacher wants you to have to complete homework or to help you learn, or anything like that. I only have one video here, but normally you'd have more. Sometimes there's always stuff from courses before. So if you're like studying for the exam at the end of the semester, at the end of your course, you can use that to study with. The virtual classroom is where you would enter your classes. I've already gone to all my class meetings. More meetings will appear up as your teacher decides when you're going to have them. That button takes you to your ETSP. It doesn't take you to the specific ETSP, but it takes you just to your ETSP, regardless of what course you have. This is my ETSP. Assignments. These are just assignments like anything your teacher wants you to do for homework. I have some homework that I haven't submitted yet that I've got to work on for history. But these are all my history courses. Not all my history courses, all my history assignments. Discussion area is an area where you can talk with fellow students or the teacher about certain topics that you want to talk about. For history, it might not happen as much, but for courses like civics and careers, or English, or classes where you might have more debates or more discussions, you can use discussions, and you can talk to other students and teachers. This section is where teachers would post quizzes or tests that you might have in the future. I don't have any, but depending on the course, you might. This is your class list, where you can talk to fellow students or teachers that you may have.